yeah. Welcome back to Rashad's Garage. Today, I got my CJ, you guys know it, 38s, lockers front and rear, 513 gears. And Casey, you guys seen him in my videos, will be driving the right-hand drive. So there's some hills behind us. We're gonna try to go up these hills, see how they do. A Jeep with lockers versus a Jeep without lockers. A Jeep that's on 30s versus a Jeep that's on 38s. And just do a small comparison. Trying to have fun today. So yeah, we'll see where it goes. So there was a stolen vehicle back here where we off-road at, and there's a whole bunch of cops. One of the cops had the smart idea to wheel up and down this area, and he got his patrol car stuck. His Tahoe. I'm gonna see if they'll let me pull it out with my Jeep. Best job, man. So the police are using easy towing. I guess they have a 4-wheel drive vehicle that can get them out. They did say if they didn't have any more assets, they'll let me do it, but whatever, at least I tried. So now we are going to test this hill. So you guys know my Jeep, my other Jeep, we're going to go up this hill. I've tried my Nissan Hardbody up this hill and this Jeep when it was stock, and it was a no-go, but I didn't record it. So let's see if Casey can make it up in my right-hand drive Jeep, and then I'll go up in my Jeep, and we'll go from there. Casey's gonna put it in 4 low. All right, 4 low. Now he's about to go. We got a spectator up top. Hopefully they don't get in Casey's way. Looks like he's doing it pretty good. Sway bars are off, so it makes it a little easier going up. I just told him be careful if he has to back down. Wow, and Casey made it up. So now it's my turn. Casey made it up. I'm actually surprised. Maybe because the front sway bars are off and it had more flex. But I'm gonna go up now. You doubted the Cherokee.
I did. I didn't think I was gonna make it. So last time I came up here, I tried. I might saw those videos. I'll throw them in right here.
All right, let me give it one more try. I'm gonna give it some speed this time. That was violent.
But I tried and it didn't make it. That was good. I think it's because the sway bars are off. Oh, he was right behind me.
Got both Jeeps out. I'm going to try to go up this hill. Well, I'm just gonna go up it and then see where it takes us. And then after that, I want to go back down in the wash because there should be some fun over there.
So this area is nothing like I'm used to. It's easy stuff, but I wasn't trying to drive a few hours. I got some stuff to do later, so this will do. Let's see what Casey can do in this. It does have a bad engine mount. Hold up, bro, take that. Why is he going around it? You can hear that bad engine mount in the video. It is pretty bad. And then that other noise you hear is a shock. It broke on me, and I just tightened it. What was left, the stud on top broke. So I do have a replacement for that. So I just made it up to the highest point of this whole area, and it looks good. There's houses out here, more mountains, another road. So what we're about to do, well, I'm about to do is record Casey coming up. There was a guy with a side-by-side. We're just talking. Now we're going down. It is a pretty steep downhill. Going down is going to be actually tricky. Don't want to do anything too crazy. Oh shit. Oh yeah, going down ain't so bad. Just gotta place your tires right. And now we're gonna try to find another area to go up. See if I can get Casey coming down. That engine mount.
Oh no.
Try backing up. He got my Jeep stuck. That's funny. All right, let's kill it so it doesn't get hot. So you seen in the last clip, he decided to drive up that dirt pile. He got my right-hand drive stuck. So I'm gonna get in here and pull him out. All right, let me get in mine. All right, that was easy.
Hunk it up.
3, 1.
I got this fool. I got this fool, bro. I got this fool so bad.
Oh, that was good.
Dude, this thing took off.
That was good. Alright, let's make a U-turn.
All right.